In this video I will show you how to clean hair cutout with background removal in Photoshop. Unlock this layer. Go to Properties and click Background Remove. Go to Adjustment Layer and choose Solid Color. Choose this color and press OK. Now we will remove the whiteness from this hair. Now we will select this layer. Right-click and click Select and Mask. Choose the Refine Hair Edge Brush tool. Now we will apply it to the whiteness on the side of the hair. Now we will click on Decontaminate Color. Press OK. Double-click on this layer. Now we can select the color of our choice. That's it. Hope you liked it. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more tutorials.